First you need to sit on the floor in staff pose, Dandasana. Now bend your left knee and bring your left foot to your inner right thigh, closer to the groin. Your right toe should point upward. Now turn your torso so that it folds over the extended leg, and lifting out of the waist, take a forward bend over it. Press the back of the right thigh towards the floor and slowly bring your chest and head towards the extended leg. Keep extending the spine on each inhale. While you exhale, keep deepening the forward bend. Avoid putting the hands over the knee joint. When done, gently release and come back up to sitting. Extend the leg and gently move both legs up and down to release tension. You will then repeat the pose with the other